Isn't cloning? Yes. Cloning, yes. Hazrat, he wants to know Hazrat's point of view about cloning.
On cloning, I have answered this question many times before and in great detail. Briefly, this is interference with the creation of God and the system which He has created. And it is an interference in so many ways that it may destroy mankind ultimately. And the scientists are already raising this question seriously. And there are cases pending in the courts against the government that cloning must be stopped legally. So I don't want to go into the detail of this question. Cloning is possible, but it is created by God in a manner that the preservation of the life character should be guaranteed. That is the reason why cloning has become possible. Every cell in human body bears the entire character of the person to which it belongs. So to guarantee that whatever the person does is in accordance with the plan of God, God has filled this plan in every cell. Now scientists have started stealing that cell from the body and reproducing it, not artificially in the sense, but by following nature, by planting it into mother's ovaries and by taking it away from there and to plant it in another ovary or something. The result is that whatever is produced is exactly the same person whose cell is taken by the scientists. So an image of you can be created through cloning. And if you go on cloning yourself, you can turn yourself into 100,000 people. Exactly the same shape, exactly the same mind, but not the same spirit, not the same will. Because human children develop according to environments, according to the philosophies they hold, according to many other factors. So it is wrong to say that they will be exactly your replica. There could be among them who may have gone mad, who may like to kill their father. So anything can happen to the people which are produced through cloning. But I think for the time being, let's finish this subject, because otherwise it will occupy the next 1 hour or so, because I have so much to say about the cloning and the way they do it. They are not the creators. This is what's the wrong impression. They cannot create a single cell or anything. It's impossible. They steal from Allah and plant it in a manner that Allah has not designed. That's tadakhul fil khalq, not being khaliq.
Quote